To connect Google Tag Manager to Wix, start by creating a Google Tag Manager account and setting up a container for your Wix website. Go to the Google Tag Manager website and sign in with your Google account. Then click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your container. Once you have created your container, you will be given a container ID, which you will need to add to your Wix website. To do this, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Settings panel. Then click on Tracking and Analytics. In the Tracking and Analytics panel, click on New Tool and select Custom. Then enter a name for your Google Tag Manager container and paste the container ID into the relevant field. Next, you need to add the Google Tag Manager container code to your Wix website. To do this, click on the Add to Site button and follow the prompts to add the code to your website. After adding the container code, you need to verify that it is working correctly. To do this, go back to your Google Tag Manager account and click on the Verify button. Then follow the prompts to verify your container. Once your container is verified, you can start setting up tags and triggers to track events on your Wix website. To do this, click on the Tags tab and then click on New. Then select the type of tag you want to create, such as a Google Analytics tag. Follow the prompts to set up your tag. Then click on the Triggers tab and select the trigger type, such as a page view or form submission. Finally, click on the Submit button to publish your changes and start tracking events on your Wix website. By following these steps, you can easily connect Google Tag Manager to your Wix website and start tracking events and analyzing data to improve your online presence.